Hey guys, I've recently received these amazing car fresheners from Cabai Life. They are available in different fragrances and currently I'm using two of them, which are strawberry and musk. To use, you firstly need to unscrew the wooden lid and then remove the plastic cap. Next, you need to screw the wooden lid back on. Now, turn the bottle over 10 to 15 seconds. The next step is to hang it on the car mirror. You can repeat the step 4 once every week to enjoy the refreshing fragrance for a longer period of time. The fragrance is so refreshing. I would strongly recommend you all to use these car fresheners from Cabai Life. Check out the caption for more details.